8.2 Roman number 5. So you can see now it is now cos square, sec square, tan square, sine square, and cos square. But remember, nothing changes, right, except for the square. So we'll learn how to do it. Alright, so 5 is there, so I've written down 5 here. Then cos 60, what is the value? 1/2. Now you can see the whole square, right? This is because of this square. That is the only difference, right? Next is 4, so I've written 4. Next is sec 30, right? So if I know cos 30, cos of 30 degree, I just have to interchange. Then cos 30 is how much? Cos 30 is root over 3/2. That means it will be now 2/3. So you can see here, and then the whole square because of the square. Then tan square 45. Tan 45 is 1, right? So it will become 1 square. Now let's do the same thing with the denominator. Sine 30 is how much? Half or 1/2. Now again the whole square. Alright, next thing again, cos 30 is root 3/2 the whole square. So if we are done with that, alright, so I've written 5 here. Then 1 square is 1, right? Then 2 2s are 4. This 4 is already there. Then 2 2s are 4. Then root 3 no root 3 will give me 3. Then 1 square is just 1. Alright, same thing let's do with the denominator, right? 1 square is 1. Then 2 2s are 4. Root 3 no root 3 I'll have here 3. Then 2 2s are 4. Alright, so if we are done with that, I'll start the multiplication now. Alright, then 5 1s are 5, right? So 5/4. Then 4 4s are 16/3. Alright, okay, now if we're done with that, now if you look at the denominator here, you can see that they have the same denominator, which 4 4. That means obviously LCM will be the number itself 4, right? And because they have the same denominator, just write down the numerators 1 and 3. So 1 plus 3. Okay, but if you look here, remember that here 1 is there, right? If I try to find the LCM of 4 3 and 1, right, it will be 12. So what do we do? Write down the numerator first. So I've written here 5, right? Then 4, how many times are 12? 4 3s are 12. Next is 16, so I've written here 16. Then 3 is here, right? 3, how many times are 12? 3 4s are 12. Next is minus 1, so I've written minus 1. Then here 1 is there, right? 1, how many times are 12? 1 12s are 12. Now here 3 plus 1 is 1 plus 3 is 4, right? So 4/4, I can divide these two. Okay, now the last step, I just have to start multiplying. Alright, then 5 3s are, I'll get 15. Then 16 into 4, I'll get 64. Then minus 1 into 12, I'll get minus 12. So once you're done with your addition and subtraction, you should get your answer to be 67/12.